Hey there folks, it's Brittany from Tech and Trek, and I am going to show you how to use Zoom and record your screen and yourself. As you can see, I'm in a little picture up in the top, probably right-hand corner for you. But because we're using Zoom, and I'm using Zoom to record the Zoom doesn't let you, show your screen of what's happening in Zoom. So I've taken some screenshots and I'm going to walk you through that process. So hopefully this isn't too confusing. And if it is, please don't hesitate to reach out. Let me know of any questions, concerns that you run into as you go along. So the first screen is your Zoom screen, your home screen here. You want to click on New Meeting. As long as you don't have anything scheduled at that time, it's not going to be an issue. So you just click on this New Meeting here. Then I'm going to go ahead and close that one. And then it opens up your new meeting. So as you can see down at the bottom here, let me just make this a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller so you can see it here. Down here at the bottom, you've got your share screen, all of your normal functions on your laptop or desktop. This is on your laptop or desktop, not on your iPad. So on your iPad, I would use screen recording, which is in a separate video. On your desktop or laptop, we have Zoom. I would go ahead and record your Zoom session. So when you're on the screen here, you want to click on this button down here where it says Share Screen. And if you click on that, hold on, see, I'm even mixing up where I'm supposed to click here. It takes you to a screen where you choose which of your screens you want to utilize. And for this one, I used desktop 1 here. And then I went down here and I clicked share. And then that took me to my screen, which was sharing, which at the time you could see the Zoom screen open again. And you can see here that up here, you can tell that you're sharing your screen. There would be a green box around this. You can sort of see the outline of the green box right here. But you'd be able to see all of that if you decided to stop sharing your screen and wanted to lecture face-to-face without sharing something on your screen. You could choose stop share at any point, and then you can always restart the share. So here's where you would share your screen if that's what you wanted to do. And then you would go ahead and once you're in this, if you were ready to record, you come over here to this More button. And on this More button, it's going to pull out and it's going to say record to this computer or record to cloud. I'm going to recommend you record to your computer. We have limited space in the Zoom cloud, so that would be a little, that could start to bog us down in terms of what we've got available in terms of space within the Hiram College Zoom cloud. So just know that going in. If you record to your computer, it's going to save somewhere on your computer, probably on your desktop or wherever you saved last. If you record to the cloud, it's going to record into the Zoom cloud. You can record into the cloud and then download it and then delete it off of the cloud. That's another possibility. And if you want to do that, just let me know. We can talk through how that might work. So choose your option. Again, I would click on record on this computer, and that's what I did in this case. And then the next screen, you can tell that you are that you're actually recording because this little circle right here with the dot, little bullseye, is turned red and it's indicating that it is recording at that time. So then you can go ahead and do your recording, similar to what I've just done here. And then when you're done, when you're ready to stop recording, you can pull down that More button again. So let me get it up here. So this More button right here. And you can choose Stop Recording. You can also click on this little dot right here and choose Stop Recording. Or you can click Stop Share, which will stop sharing your screen but not stop recording, which is what I did. So I hit Stop Share in this case. I would recommend probably going Stop Recording, but it's up to you whether or not you want them to see you for a moment or two after you finish your presentation in whatever format you had on your computer. And then if you've chosen to stop sharing your screen, it'll take you back. You can see you. See, there's a picture of me, which I hate pictures of me, but it's okay. And then up here, you can choose, you can see it says recording, and there's a pause button. So if you need to pause for any reason, you could do that as well. And there's the stop button. You just tap that, and then you will be, your recording will be stopped. So that's really all there is. And then it will generate your recording onto your computer or into the cloud. And then you just take that, and I recommend uploading it into YouTube because that will make it shareable in Moodle without any issues. So as always, if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And we're here down in Dre, or you can find us in the library depending on when you're watching this. And as always, good luck and keep us posted if you have questions.